you guys seen the flower bed video. Here's the aftermath of that. And some of you guys actually liked that video, so figured I would do an update on it. You should see it at night. Maybe I'll do an at night update video too. Let's walk around back here and see what we did with the joint back here. We've been cleaning it up a lot. I gotta clean the camper, get that looking pretty. But we got some, I got a pressure wash back here. I keep spraying these weeds, but when I pressure wash, it'll pop them right out and then I'll spray again. But she's got it looking, let me see here, let me sit back. She got it looking pretty good out here. Got my grill set up. A little bit more cleaning to do and should be ready. The grass is actually growing in. Finally, so I can keep the kids off the dirt bikes. They planted some hostas back there. That'll take over that hill. And then I'm gonna weed eat all that. And probably mulch all of that. So I'm gonna kill all the weeds and all that stuff. I got this rose bush that was actually dying, and I moved it last year. It was over by the house and it was dying, so I cut it out, but there was still like half of it was alive. So I planted it back here and tried to save it. Well, last year it died, like it was dead. Well, now this year, look at it. So I'm gonna keep babying it and see if I can keep bringing it back to life. And if so, I think what I might do is do this whole side here with it. So just see if I can keep splitting it like I did there. Somebody told me I couldn't do that, but I did it, and look, boom, shakalaka. Guess I got a green thumb. But I'm gonna do this all right here so it'll grow up, be really nice. So I hope you guys enjoy this little update video on the yard. We do work hard. We try and make our stuff look nice. We've been kind of neglected it last year, and now we're paying for it. So I got these old tires off of a Ford. They're original from the Ford. It even says Ford on it. These came into work last year. They're in good shape. They're not even dry rotted or anything, which is weird. But yeah, they're old and they got some cracks and stuff in the white, but the wife just planted flowers in them, so those will all bloom up and look nice. And once I pressure wash back here, maybe tomorrow, it'll look good. So, alright guys, thanks for watching this short, quick video. Have fun. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you later. Happy riding, and don't work too hard.